my channel. So in today's video I am going to share with you how I do my regular daily makeup. So it's not actually a proper makeup, basically this makeup that I've done right now on my face, it's the makeup that I've been doing since my bachpan, and I was really excited to share this with you guys. So please go ahead and watch this, and if you like this video and the way I did this makeup on my face, please like, share, subscribe my channel. First thing that we'll be using is Prep Me Up from Nykaa, and then Lakme CC cream. So that is the go-to cream that I always use for regular day makeup, and lip balm of Maybelline. Fit Me foundation, my shade is 230, and mascara of Maybelline again. I'm a Maybelline fan, so. And this is Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. The brush that I'm going to use here is Swiss Beauty, and the lipstick that I have used is MP7 Rosy Sunday. So that's my name, that's why I love this lipstick a lot. And this is the palette that I personally love a lot. It's very old, it's been more than 4 years I guess for this palette, and I've not quite used it a lot, but this is the condition of it, but still I love it. I love the shade this and this one. I have not used the other colors, but these are the go-to shades that I use. Alright, so let's get started here. So the first thing that I am using is Prep Me Up from Nykaa. This is just to give the smooth texture on my face before applying anything. Next, I'll be applying Lakme CC cream because I'm not a foundation person, and for a daily use I don't think foundation works for me. So I apply this CC cream every day if I'm going out. That is how I put the cream on my face. Dot formula works, you see? Gently applying it all over my face and my neck. Not forgetting that. So now instantly you can see how my face looks glowy, and I'm applying a lip balm now so that later when I apply lipstick it's all cool. And next is applying this Fit Me powder to just get the matte finish on my face, and my nose area and my cheeks area kind of a little bit oily, so this is a very important step for me. Applying it all over my face gently and my neck. Now the next part is very important for me, doing my eyebrows. Like, since I've got a very light eyebrow, it's very important for me to work on it every day. Getting a perfect eyebrow look, it's very difficult, but I manage to get somewhere there in the line. It just changes the whole look. Eyebrows are so important part of the face, you see. Now I'm going to apply lipstick. This is a Lakme lipstick. The name of the lipstick, as I informed previously, it's the Rosy Sunday, and this lipstick is perfect for regular day use since it's subtle nude, and the same lipstick I'm applying over my eyelid because that's the hack which I've learned since my baby days. It completely opens my eyes. You see that? Also, I'm singing Genie in the Bottle. And now I'm applying eyeshadow. So I usually apply eyeshadow like just to give a shine on the eyelid. That's it. I'm not applying it a lot. I just love my eyes the way they look now. Mascara, because there was a time when I used to apply eyeliner a lot and I used to have a very bad days. Last but not the least, the very cute part, it's the blush. I'm applying very little blush on my cheeks. Well, that's all in this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, see you in my next one. Cheers!